Hi guys, here are my favorite affordable finds from MyGlamm that you cannot miss out. First is this beautiful Instagram face kit which has setting powder, blush and highlighter in it. Both the blushes are highly pigmented and highlighter also highly pigmented. Again, this is travel friendly kit, so you can use it anywhere. Next I have this quad gold eyeshadow kit which has 12 shades in it. The above shades are matte shades and the below ones are shimmer shades. So let me swatch it for you. So let me swatch these two shades. You can see the pigmentation. And then for this shimmer shades, at last I have this liquid lipstick from MyGlamm. So this one is Slap, then second one is Boo and third one is Figure. So these are kind of pink, red and brown shades which I am using for daily wear for my office, and these lipsticks are smudge proof.